Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. We have the GAN 16. This was just sent to me from GaNCube, so I just got this. I believe it's on sale. I don't know if it's shipping exactly yet. Let's just jump right into things. We get a bag with the cube and a new tool. So this is definitely going to be their center cap tool, but instead of larger blue, it's white, but it doesn't really do much. You can't, I guess you can push down that. And this, I wonder what that is. If this is anything, it looks like there's a tool inside of there. It is. So everything's built into this little case. Okay, well, let's not dilly-dally. Let's get to the puzzle itself. This is the GAN 16. What I want to go through is what is new, what is different with it. It feels quite light, so let me grab my scale. I'll be right back. Okay, so we have, let's change this, let's not have ounces, I need grams. 66.2 grams. So it's not the lightest puzzle GAN's made, and I kind of like that. Yeah, it's not heavy at all, but it's definitely not as light as their lightest one. So as far as just quick turning, what feels different to me is it's very smooth in the turning. I got practically no catches. Ooh, wait a second. When was the last time, maybe I missed it, but that centerpiece, you can see a little bit in the reflection, but there's not a very distinct circle. Like, this has a line where that circle starts, and that's just very smooth. How was that ever the case in the 15, or have they not had a smooth centerpiece since the original 356, where they actually sent a new centerpiece to fix catching issues? Okay, let's take this apart. Edges, very simple. We've got all these grooves here, these tracks, magnets there and magnets here. No magnets there. In the corners, wait, no. Are there magnets here? There are. They're just behind plastic. Don't think I've seen them behind plastic either, because that just weakens the magnet itself, but I guess it doesn't matter. Those are behind plastic. We've got magnets here. We have our core magnets, and I'm going to put these back in here before I take the cap off, which I just realized. Couple problems I just had. Corner goes in first, then the edge, and then I will not be able to just get the center cap off. But, oh, that was nice. That was very easy to do. The greatest upgrade ever is that these are a different color. You don't need to find the right angle of the light to adjust it. Now, can the screw adjust something? I haven't seen a screw there, but in a long time as well. So we have numbers on the inside. Those numbers seem the same. Let's open up this card and see what this says. Okay, so we have GAN 16 Maglev user manual. We have, wait, are there different sets of magnets? Oh, there are under here. Yes, there are these different magnet sets, blue and green. So white is the default setting, blue is weak, green is stronger. So we have different ones there. And you can see clearly now how there's that plastic over top of that. GES Pro Plus, 6 center travel settings, 12 tension settings. We've got numerical distance, tension. Let's see here. Anything else that is new? The rest of this looks kind of the same. Let's switch out to the green magnets, because I usually like stronger magnets. So let's just do that. And you can use this tool to take these out, I believe. I'm just going to use my hand, though. I think. Wait, what am I doing wrong here? This just goes in, and then, is that it? No. That seems like that would fall out. Is that all you need to do? To remove the corner piece, turn the cube rod 60 degrees with the turning tool to unlock it, take it out by hand. So yeah, I guess so turning at 60 degrees, there are 3 sides to this triangle, and you can't see it here because those are the same color. Ooh, much harder to turn on that one. Okay, that's not great. It's like stuck in there. It doesn't even want to turn. Are other corners like that? Nope. That one turned very easily and moves out. And then 120 degrees would if the triangle goes to the other side. So just 60 would be to there. So there's not like a click, you're just actually wedging it into place. But oddly enough, this one just won't turn. The rest of these are a lot easier. Does it say one of them will forever be stuck in there? Yeah, this one is just not removing at all. I feel like I need pliers to just grip it much more, but I don't want to do that. The plastic is actually spinning, I think, inside of the tool. And not turning at all. So I'm just going to put that one back, change the other ones, and know that it's not perfect right now. Yeah, because I can just even do that one by hand. Okay, with the mostly stronger magnets, the big thing that this feels different is it just feels like it's cutting through anything. There have been some GAN puzzles where there's like, we'll talk about little catches, and we have that in a lot of puzzles, but things are clicking with this one. I've not lubricated it. I've not even adjusted the tensions, and I like how well it flows. Oh, there we go. So I'm not always the biggest GaNCube fan. I am a big fan of this one. It's still 56 millimeters, which is not my preference for size, but performance, it's really surpassing any of them. Like the little issues that people seem to have had in the past are non-existent here. Yeah. Trying to look around the camera is quite difficult. It just moves really well. And it's not even that loose. It feels... I didn't even check this. Yeah. Might not even add lubrication. It just works really well. Sorry for just doing a lot of the same algorithm there. Overall, I know for some people, it's just another GAN puzzle. And honestly, that's sometimes how I feel with some of the releases. Something feels a bit different about this one. I don't know what they changed to make it feel both a little bit more solid and smooth, but keep its weight, how thin it is. I don't know why one of these is not coming out, but I'm just going to leave it. And I think call that at the moment. But I'll have a link where you can purchase it. It is available now. Let me know about last time they've had rounded centers, that it didn't have a very distinctive circle. Maybe I missed one. If not, it is the 356 version 1 before they replaced the caps because of the corners were catching. Let's see, like they were catching right there. That was years ago too. That might have been, when did a 356 come out? It was, I lived in a different house at the time, so it was at least 2017 or before. Awesome. Okay. Well, thank you again for sending this out. This is a fantastic puzzle. It does feel different / better than other versions of the GAN in the past. So if this is your first one, definitely the one to get. I think people have been referencing get the 12 throughout the past iterations. Definitely 16 at this point. But yeah, thank you very much. Leave your thoughts and questions down below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.